Join me as I try to break down how I make $480,000 a month using just these 13 AI tools. Making money online is that it's only for tech-savvy people or those with a huge following. But I'm here to tell you that's just not true. With the right tools and a little bit of effort, anyone can start generating substantial income online. And that's exactly what these AI tools have allowed me to do. Another common challenge people face is the information overload that comes with trying to market or sell products online. There's so much noise out there, it's hard to know what's actually working and what's just a waste of time. But with these AI tools, I've been able to cut through the noise and focus on what really matters, making money. A lot of people are also hesitant to get started with online income because they think it's going to take years to build up a reputation or a following. But the beauty of these AI tools is that they can help you start generating income right away, regardless of your experience level or social media following. And finally, I think a lot of people are turned off by the idea of making money online because they think it's all about scamming or spamming people. But let me tell you, that's not the case. With these AI tools, I've been able to build a legitimate business that provides real value to people and gets rewarded with a nice chunk of change every month. Okay, so let's dive into the actual tools that are making me all this money. First up, we have an AI-powered content generator that's allowed me to create high-quality blog posts and social media content in a fraction of the time it used to take. Next, we have a tool that helps me optimize my ads for maximum ROI. It's increased my ad revenue by over 300% in the past few months alone. Then there's the AI chatbot that's helped me automate my customer support and free up more time for high-leverage activities like creating new products and marketing campaigns. And let's not forget the AI-powered email automation tool that's allowed me to send targeted, personalized emails to my entire list with just the click of a button. I could go on and on about each of these tools, but the point is that they've all contributed to my massive increase in online income over the past year. And I'm not just talking about a small bump, I'm talking about going from making a few $1,000s a month to making nearly $500,000. One of the most impressive things about these AI tools is how they've allowed me to scale my business so quickly. I remember one time when I launched a new product and used one of the AI tools to create a flood of targeted ads on Facebook. Within 24 hours, I'd made over $10,000 in sales. It was insane. That kind of scalability is just not possible with traditional marketing methods, and it's opened up a whole new world of possibilities for me. And the best part is, I know I'm not even scratching the surface of what's possible with these tools. So, to recap, these 13 AI tools have been the secret to my online success, and I truly believe they can do the same for you. Whether you're just starting out or you're already making a full-time income online, I'm confident that these tools can help you take your earnings to the next level. Thanks so much for watching, and I'd love to hear from you in the comments. What's been your experience with AI tools and making money online? Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and check out my next video on maximizing online income with AI tools.